Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the date and time watermark on your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our EUFY app and make sure that we have connected the camera to our phone already. And you can find your camera under devices, and there it is. So you can click on the three dots and then click on the gear icon to go to the settings, and then click on video settings, and here you have the watermark option. So you can either disable the watermark fully, you can only select timestamp, or you can select timestamp and the logo, so you will see the time and the logo of the camera. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.